Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to continue our Python bootcamp series. Okay, so I already finished Lambda function, map, and filter. Now we are going to learn what sorry, reduce. Okay, so what is the reduce function in Python? The reduce function is a part of Python functool module. It applies a function cumulatively to all item in an iterable like list, okay, and reducing it to a single value. Okay, this is useful for performing operations such as summation, multiplication, and concatenation, etc. like it function like it apply a function cumulatively cumulatively to all item in a iterable like list and reduce it into a single value. Like if you have lots of number from 1 to 50, okay, then you want to calculate its sum, so we can use reduce here. It will give you result in a single value. Okay, so here I'm going to share my screen with you. Okay, so this is the syntax of reduce. Okay, so like if you want to use reduce, then you need to import reduce, okay, by using from functool. From functool, okay, functool.py, tool for working with the function and callable object. Okay, this is a module from functool. I will teach you what is module in next video after this. Okay, module and package. Okay, so don't worry about it. So just imagine functool is a model. So from model, from functool model, import reduce. Okay, from functool model, from functool import reduce, and this is the syntax of reduce. Here you need to write reduce, and here inside this function and iterable like list. Okay, and this is for initializer. Okay, a function that takes two argument iterable data to operate on like list. Okay, initializer means option start value for the reduction. Okay, so I'm going to write normal code using a normal function. So from functools import reduce. Here I am going to define add two numbers a comma b. Okay, now I'm going to return a plus b, and here number I'm giving number one is variable. Here I'm going to store multiple elements 1 2 3 comma 4 comma 5. Okay, here I am going to write another variable, that is result equals to reduce. Okay, so here you can see I'm going to use reduce function name. So after reduce, I'm going to use uh, bracket. Okay, because it has bracket. Now I am going to write function name. Function name is what? Add. Okay, after function name, I need to pass a table. A table, what is a table? Means I have number, these number. A table means list. I'm going to use list here, so that's why I need to write list here. Okay, then I'm going to print its result. Here result. Okay, from func tool import reduce, I'm going to define one variable, that is one function, that is add. Here I'm going to add a and b. Okay, so return a plus b. So here this is the variable number one, and inside this I have elements. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5, these are the element. And in and result equals to reduce, and here I'm going to use add. Then it will add the element like a plus b, add 1 plus 2, okay, 3, and 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4, and like this. Okay, so it will add every element from here, okay, from this number, and print result. Okay, so I need to select. Okay, so I got 15 here in output. You can see here. Now using it will give you answer in single line. Single, here I already show you. Single value. It will give you answer in a single value. Means it will reduce answer it into a single value. Now using lambda function. So I need to import this. And here I am going to use this number and number 1. Okay, now I am defined one variable result 2 equals to, I'm going to use reduce. Okay, here I am going to use lambda, and here I have x and y, two parameters, and I'm going to apply operation that it will add x and y together, and this operation will perform in number 1. Okay, then it will print result 2. Okay, so I got 15. So here you can see by using lambda function, I import reduce from functool. Okay, these are the numbers I want to add, all this number. Okay, so here this is the result and this is the reduce. I am going to use lambda. Okay, so here it will take x equals to 1 and y equals to 2 and add together from number. Okay, number from number here. Okay, it will add everything like 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10, and 10 plus 4 10 plus 5, I got 15 here. Okay, so it, like lambda will add number like this. Okay, now multiply all number. Okay, so here import reduce by using functool, these are the number, and here product equals to, this is the variable product, reduce. Okay, because I'm going to use reduce, and here lambda, here two variable x and y, two parameters. Okay, and here I'm going to multiply x into y, and this is the number, this number. Okay, I'm going to multiply these number 1 into 2, x equals to 1, y equals to 2. Okay, so I got 2 again. I'm 2, here I have 2, and 2 multiply with 3. Okay, I got 6, 6 multiply by 4, I got 24, and 24 multiply by 5. So I need to run this. I got 120. Okay, and here reducing string. I just need to import this line. Reducing strings words equals to Python, comma is, comma fun. Python is fun. Now sentence equals to, this is the variable sentence, and I'm going to apply a reduce. Inside the reduce, I'm going to use lambda, Okay, and here I have I need to define parameters x comma y. Okay, here columns and x plus string space, okay, and plus y comma words words. So reducing string, okay, it will reduce string from this list, okay, bird. Now I am going to print sentence. So I got Python is fun, okay, like this. Or if you write like this, so it will reduce strings, okay, like this. It replace all these spaces. So here you can see lambda equals to x and y, python equals to x equals to python, and y equals to is. Okay, then it will remove the space between hmm, these words and print like this. Okay, now you can see here total price and shopping cart. Okay, so I import reduce by using func tool, and this is the shopping cart. Inside this we have different dictionary, and in this dictionary we have different item apple and its price and quantity. Apple has its price and quantity, and banana also has same things, and orange also has same price and quantity. Okay, so total cost equals to reduce lambda here acc and item acc account, okay, plus item of price and into item quantity, okay, and here this is the cart and comma 0. So I got total cost while I am going to print it. Okay, so you can see here. Okay, these are the value variable lambda acc. Okay, here item, in item we have acc plus plus item price and item quantity. So total card value is $5.8. Calculation reduce repeatedly applies a function to the item of iterable to reduce it into a single value. It's a part of the func tool model, great for cumulative operation like sum, product, concatenation, or aggregation. Or if you want to do mastering in reduce, then you can do more question based on reduce.